if Manjari ma'am wants to give
A
message
message
to
to-
younger Meghna,
Okay.
so what will be? Something about love, something about friendship, about love also. Love.
Okay, about love.
Love.
Okay. Okay, I think in my opinion, now Meghna would have moved on.
Okay.
And she would have really learned that what's not meant for you will never be with you. And it's okay not to hold on. And I'm sure she's found her happiness. So, what would be my message to her today? Because I think she would have already grown up and understood her lessons in life. But okay, let me think about it. What I would tell Meghna would be it's okay to feel what you're feeling.
Yeah.
Life is not all roses. I mean, she knew that already at that point of time because she does say at the and then Marine Drive scene where she says, "I know, but I don't want to see it." It's okay to see that life is not perfect, and it's okay. It's just completely normal, and you can.
But if you want to give suggestion or if
Yeah.
you want to give something suggestion to your early 20s
हाँ.
or late 30s, so
हाँ.
क्या suggestion होगा?
My late 30s, I am in my late 30s.
Early 20s. Early 20s.
Early 20s, early 20s. What message I want to give
Yeah,
her?
to yourself. Early 20s.
Yeah, which is a lesson I have learned in
Yeah.
my life.
Yeah.
So when I was 16, 17, like till I was about 20 or something, I used to let other people's opinions about me form an opinion about myself.
Okay.
But nobody who had that opinion knew me as a person. So I would say have more confidence in yourself and know yourself better. What other people think about you, they don't know you. So don't listen to anyone.
Okay, so जो सवाल था मेरा, जो आखिरी सवाल, a message to younger Meghna from ma'am, and she got the answer and she'll let me know about the answer.
So, more than a message
Yes.
for Meghna, I want to compliment her. I want to tell Meghna that I am so proud of you. The way you handled yourself with so much dignity while you were in love with a man and you know that he's in love with his best friend, and the way you let him go with so much of dignity and with a good heart. I think that was very commendable. And I also want to compliment her on the way she was dealing with life. People did not understand her that time when she was trying to find good in everything. It was not because she was delusional, it was because she was trying to look at the positive side of life, because when children come from a broken family or like with this kind of toxicity in the house, they can take to the wrong ways, like drugs and all those things. But she actually took a positive way out of it while she knew what she was doing. So I think that was very, very beautiful about Meghna, that she came with so much dignity even at that age. So
That's a great answer after getting all those quality times. Thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you.
us.